Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a dry haircut. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by establishing the outline. You can see I'm combing the hair straight down to cut in the length. We're going to just go through, straighten up, and cut in the new length, and then we will go through and then cut in and shape up the layers. Alright, just still cutting up the length in the back. You can see I'm just working my way around the head. We obviously started on the right side, cutting the length over there, then worked our way to the back, and now I'm slowly working my way to the left side. Alright, so now that we have cleaned up the length, it is now time to shape up the layering. So, you can see I've got a center section in the back, and I'm just going through and just making the layers consistent. Just going through, reshaping the layers that are there, and making them fluid and flow. There's some disconnection through the layers right there, so I'm just going through and making them blend and making them flow. So I'm taking sections on the back, center, and then basically following those sections all the way to the top. Alright, you can see I'm almost done with the layering on the right side, and the layers are starting to flow nice and smooth. They're starting to blend very nicely, and now I'm doing the layering on the left side. Not a whole lot to explain. Basically going to do the exact same thing I just did on the right side here on the left side. Alright, now that the layers are complete, it is time to cut the bangs just to make sure they're not too long and going to grow into my model's face. So you can see right here I've cut the bangs, and now I'm layering the bangs basically just to lighten them up. Alright, as you can see, the layers have a much better flow now. The length has been brought up, the layers have been brought up. I should say that the layers have been shaped up. The bangs have been brought up, and the bangs have been layered up. I'm going through right now and just kind of chipping into the bangs even more to make it a little bit lighter. But you can see that the layers have a much, much better flow. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut, relayered and reshaped this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.